the Huawei mediapad M510 10.8. A quick demonstration on the home grid size, the navigational keys and buttons, and split screen. So to change the home screen grid, press and hold on the home screen, settings, and the top home layout, and there you've got the home layout is 6x4, 6x5 or 5x5. For the split screen, if you open up, if you press and hold the navigational button, it then goes into split screen, so you can choose a different app which you can happily scroll across. And you can adjust that way, and then to close, just swipe across. For the navigational keys, if you go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, system, you go to system navigation, and you've got multiple options. The top one, off-screen navigational buttons. This enables the hardware home button to be a back key, home key, and task key. And you can also have, which I've got, a virtual navigational bar. And there you can choose your back key and navigational directions. And at least with that one, you can press that to hide, so at least you've got more screen real estate, and swipe up brings it back up. When you're on the website, it just gives you that extra centimetre or so of screen to use. That's just a very quick demonstration of a couple of the options. If anything else you need to know, just let me know. Cheers. To alter whether you have the app drawer or not, if you go into settings, if you go into display, and if you go to home screen style, and there you can have every single app on your desktop, or what I prefer, you can have the app drawer. And just a quick show you of what else. On the eye comfort, that's where you can change how much blue or not it gets displayed on the screen, and then you can schedule it for night time. Any more questions? Let me know.